What's good, everybody? You seeing this video while would have already been in a trade. I woke up late. It's already 7:10 a.m. in the morning. I woke up at 6:55, 15 minutes after market open. So I woke up late. But right when I woke up, I realized maybe I could still catch a trade. And I just did like a little quick overview of what happened so far. And I seen that price moved up to the upside, sweep London highs, tapped into this new week opening gap, then started to push lower. 5-minute bearish close, huge candle inversing this 5-minute gap, running right through it. On the 1-minute market structure shift, NQ already swept these London lows down here after, but I'm seeing that price retrace into this fair value gap. So I entered off this first bearish candle closure here, as well as equilibrium. So I'm seeing that price will come down and sweep this low and Asia low all the way down here. But this is kind of like a rush trade, which you should never do. So it's either I hit this trade or not. So yeah, let's just see what happens. Oh yeah, episode 3, path to profitability. No, path to first 100 pound. We could still get strong moves to the upside that I haven't accounted for, because I'm pretty sure this is SMT. Yeah, we have a, oh shit. We have a 5-minute SMT here, but I ignored that because I wanted price to push lower. We have this gap here. We have this 5-minute gap the price can move into, as well as equilibrium. So let's just see what happens. So let's mark out this gap. Boom. Price can tap into this gap, as well as equilibrium. Actually, let's wait for this that candle to close. See if it forms a low. But also, there's a lot of things that I didn't account for. Even though I did see some things quickly, there might be like high time frame fair value gaps within here. Let's see. Yeah, there's this gap here that I didn't mark, that we would have to inverse on the 2 hour. Yeah, I think this whole price leg is an imbalance on the 4 hour, I think. No? Okay. Well, there is this gap on the 2 hour that we might react to, that we're actually in right now. And we're in the gap as well, but we're also in this huge imbalance here. But I think price will push lower for sure, since we tapped into this new week opening gap and swept London liquidity. And we're tapping into high time frame fair value gaps, bearish fair value gaps. Oh my god. Damn, we just had huge damn candle. So even if I win this trade, I wouldn't be fully proud of myself, because I didn't really do a full analysis or review before I entered the trade. I did a rush analysis, so ES already swept these lows. This hourly low, and it's better come down into London low. Another thing I didn't account for, it might just be that ES comes down and sweeps these lows and reverses, while NQ just misses all its lows here, because they already swept London lows. So the only thing we'd have to do is come down here. And I don't want it to happen again like how it did last time, where pretty sure it was just ES that tapped into the gap. I forgot, it was ES or NQ that tapped into the gap and then immediately reacted because the gap was farther on one of the other indices or indexes, and I had TP. Pretty sure it was ES that hit the gap. So cold. I love my poncho. It's like a blanket, but it's a shirt at the same time. See. Okay, TP1 hit. And good thing there was no news today. Price action is looking kind of good from what I just seen. But after I get home from school, I'm gonna do a market overview of what happened and what I could have done for a better trade to look deeper, you know. And tomorrow I'm not gonna wake up late. Then the shit just isn't for me. I need to be more disciplined, bro. But then I have practice at 7:15 today, so I do have a lot of time to do an overview on the market. It's so cold. And I usually shower in the mornings, but I showered last night and I woke up late today, so looks like I won't be showering. Also, boys, I got some new shoes. Got some New Balance 9060s. What do y'all think about that? Okay, so we kind of are getting a huge candle to the upside after sweeping this liquidity as well as London lows on ES. We have to react to this gap. But we have to come down and sweep Asia lows. I think Asia lows are protected low. It's inside of this 1 hour gap. Not gonna lie, since it's inside of this gap, I should have just put my TP at the gap, at the top of the gap, bro. I should just make this a risk-free trade now, though. I feel like, damn, I have fucking all this shit on my chart, making it so complicated for myself. Let me just get rid of equilibrium, since we already reacted to it. We already reacted to this gap all up here, so that's relevant to me. We already swept this high, that's relevant to me. We have this gap that we can still tap into. We're still in this 2 hour gap. When does the 2 hour close? Yeah, I'm gonna just get rid of this, but I'm gonna keep in mind that we're in this gap. But if we push lower, then I know that, yeah. Okay, what is ES doing? ES already swept these lows, and we're reacting to this 1 minute gap. Yeah, boys, I think we're pushing down to these Asia lows. I just don't want ES to react to this gap that the Asia low is in. Hopefully we just run right through. Then I'll be easy profits for the day on this leg down of price action. Come on, bro. I'm trying to make this a quick day. I don't have a lot of time. It's already 7:20. Come on, market makers. It's already 7:20, bro. I need to get ready. Water. You know what, bro? I'm gonna just pause and I'm gonna come back whenever my either when my TP gets hit or when I get stopped out. Alright, so by the way, I made a risk-free trade after taking TP1 now. It looks like we're reacting to this gap and we might push higher. But if not, we get TP. But if we push higher, then I just secure profits that I made. ES looks like it's pushing lower. But NQ is looking a little bit choppy between these two FEGs. Let's look at 30-minute. Now we have this gap we're reacting to. Yeah, we're reacting to this 1 hour gap. Or this 30-minute gap. ES might run through it though. So let's mark out this 5-minute gap. Okay, it'll be good if we inverse. We need to see a reaction to this gap here. We need a bearish close on the 5-minute. It would kind of show me that we're going lower. And if we run through this gap, it would be perfect for us. We just can't react to this gap. We need to come down and hit this. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. If we hit TP or not, I need to go get ready for school. Alright guys, I might just put the rest of my, move my TP down to this top of the fair value gap. We've been in this trade for a long time and I don't like having trades open while I'm at school. Even though it's demo trading, I wouldn't want to do that. I can still trade at school. Nah. If I was at school, 8:30 is already too late to be trading for me. Because, I mean, it's already 11:30. And the golden zone for me is at, like, 9:30 to, like, 11. Perfectly 11. Alright. But, yeah. We missed stop loss. Or not really stop. Like, we missed break even by that much. Yes, it's still looking like way more bearish, but NQ is like a little choppy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys. This these new shoes I got. Ready? Look at that. New Balance 9060s. Kind of tough, right? Trying to see if price hits TP right now. Shit. Oh wait, what the hell, bro? Why you guys looking, bro? Let me just move this right here, actually. On my computer. This trade, it would have been open for like 39 minutes. Yeah, let's go ahead and come back into this 30-minute fair value gap. And I'll take my take profits. Even if we go back up and hit break even, I'm gonna just say I'm happy that I knew where market wanted to go. And I'm happy that I woke up and caught a trade on the retracement back up, which was a clean retracement. Look at this on the 5-minute, huge down counter. We came back up into equilibrium and I caught it all the way up here, which I like. But I don't like that I woke up late. Don't like that I did a rush trade, even though I hit TP1, I might go down and hit full TP. But yeah, at least I like that we came and I knew where my market wanted to go. Damn it, bro. And the thing is, I could have, actually, no, I couldn't have. So it's immediately on market open. Price comes in, sweeps London highs, as well as comes into this new week opening gap. So which I saw when I woke up. I woke up around here, 9:55. So boom, 9:55. But I took the trade here, so probably like 9:50. So boom, I just immediately turned on my computer when I woke up, and boom, entered there. Cause I just did like a quick thing. I saw obvious equilibrium here. So yeah, boom, full TP hit. I need to come home and do a market analysis because I missed a lot from waking up late. I will never wake up late again. Alright, path to first funded payout, episode 3 complete. I'll see y'all later.